commodity markets. Oil prices easing marginally but remaining elevated. The conflict in the Middle East and the war in Ukraine continue to be the key concerns, even as the U.S. has improved supply from Venezuela and other markets. Global oil major Chevron, meanwhile, will buy rival Hess Corp in a $53 billion all-stock deal. Chevron will offer $171 for every Hess share. This implies a premium of about 5%. The company said in a statement that Hess Corp CEO John Hess is expected to join Chevron's board of directors once the deal is done. So that's a big deal there in the oil and gas space. From crude now to gold prices. Global gold prices have been on the rise since the Israel-Hamas conflict spurred concerns of a spillover. In India, meanwhile, the prices are within a striking distance of a record high as the festive season demand has kicked off. Manisha Gupta is standing by now with the details. Manisha, take us through what experts are telling you on where gold prices are possibly headed.
Gold prices have been an up move because of three reasons. One, there are geopolitical concerns and that leads to safe haven buying. Second, expectation that you could be looking at lower interest rates in 2024. And third, in last 1 year, the gold prices have given you better returns than various asset classes. So portfolio diversification also has led gold on the higher side. And while we are inching higher, some of the countries and currencies have seen gold prices already hitting record highs. Australia, Japan and China in last 1 week have been looking at higher gold prices consistently. In this year, we also have seen UK and Taiwan as countries see gold prices at all-time highs. For the Indian markets as well, it was in the month of May that we saw 61,490 as an all-time high. Currently, we are trading at 60,500, so just 1,000 rupees away from an all-time high there. In the US dollar terms, the all-time high has been 2,070. We are trading at around 1980 right now, so $1,000 away from that one as well. But interestingly, it is the projections going forward which tell you that the gold is ready to make all-time high in the next year as well. I mean, as you can see, these are all global banks and brokerages, Wall Street banks as well, telling you that gold prices will hit a high at around $2,050 to $2,200 an ounce. I mean, that really seems to be a consensus. But there are a couple of them which also expect that $2,500 an ounce of an all-time high is also what gold prices could be looking at in the next year. So this is the projection anticipating that it's an all-time high coming in for 2024 for gold yet again.
All right, Manisha, many thanks for joining us. Well, all that glitters currently is gold. Now, the government